Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can I buy?
Yes.
Do you know where my screwdriver is?
I don't know.
You don't know where my screwdriver is.
It's in the bathroom.
It's in the bathrooms or the back rooms.
It's in the bathrooms.
In the back rooms? No, it's not. Where? Can you buy me a car?
I think it's the tractor.
Oh, you're gonna buy me a tractor and not a car? Excuse me. I can't drive a tractor on the road.
Yeah, you can.
I cannot.
Yeah, you can.
And you, can you give me your sports car? Come on. No, you can't talk, of course. Oh wait, give me it, please. Oh, you gave me a blanket. She gives me a blanket. Why do you give me a blanket? I want that sports car. Where's my screwdriver though? Dude, where do you put my screwdriver? I just needed to put some, I don't know what to call, like screws. And now you just, I don't need a fire truck. Fire trucks are for the fire. I don't even know. Fire department. Yes, thank you. Why do you, give me your Gatorade. Give me your Gatorade.
Where is it?
My Gatorade. Where is it?
It's right here.
No, why is it empty? Explain, why is it empty? Why does everything bad happen to me? Why?